Here's the truth. Big goals can feel overwhelming. I want to speak fluent English. Sounds amazing, right? But when you look at the distance between where you are and where you want to be, it can feel impossible. That's why so many people quit. But listen carefully. Success doesn't come from giant leaps. It comes from tiny, repeated steps. The power of daily practice is that it takes something huge and breaks it into something simple, something achievable, something human. When you shift your mindset from perfection to progress, everything changes. You no longer pressure yourself to be perfect today. Instead, you focus on getting just a little bit better than yesterday. That is the mindset of champions. Now, let's connect this with English learning. Many learners believe they need hours of study to improve. But here's the reality. Your brain remembers more from consistent short sessions than from long, random study marathons. Imagine you read 5 new words every day. In 1 year, that's over 1,800 words. That's enough to change the way you speak and write forever. Imagine practicing just 5 minutes of speaking daily. In 1 year, that's over 30 hours of spoken English without even noticing. This is why daily practice is not just important, it's powerful. It silently builds your fluency, your confidence, and your natural flow. You don't realize it day by day, but one day, someone will stop you and say, "Wow, your English sounds amazing." Here's something most people miss. Daily practice doesn't only improve your skill. It also builds discipline. It strengthens your focus. It creates momentum. Every time you practice, you prove something to yourself. You prove that you can keep a promise to yourself. That builds self-respect. And when you respect yourself, you gain more energy, more clarity, and more drive to keep going. Daily practice is not just about English words or grammar. It's about becoming a stronger, more confident version of yourself, and that is priceless. Think of daily practice as planting seeds. At first, the soil looks empty. Nothing seems to happen. But deep inside, life is growing. One day, that seed breaks through the ground. Then it grows into a plant. Then into a tree. That is exactly how your English will grow. At the beginning, it feels invisible, but every time you practice, even just for a few minutes, you are planting, you are watering, you are building something powerful inside you. And when the results finally show, people will think it happened suddenly, but you will know the truth. It wasn't sudden. It was silent. It was daily practice. Here's a simple plan you can start today. Step 1. Choose a small practice you can repeat every day. It could be 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, or even writing 3 sentences in English. Step 2. Set a fixed time for it. Morning, evening, or before bed, just be consistent. Step 3. Track your progress. Write it down in a notebook or use your phone. When you see your consistency, you'll feel proud. Step 4. Celebrate the small wins. Did you complete 7 days straight? Smile. Did you learn 10 new words this week? Celebrate. Every win adds fuel to your journey. Remember, consistency is greater than intensity. 5 minutes every day beats 2 hours once a month. So, my friend, don't wait for tomorrow. Start your daily practice today. Water your dream every single day. Whether it's English or any other skill, the silent power of daily practice will transform your life. If this message inspired you, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more motivational English lessons. Your journey to success is waiting. Take the first step today.